So what's your number one tip for high dirty water?
Focus on soft water, more flat type of pools, just heavier fly. Try to slow the speed of the fly down more. Especially in the winter months like this when the water's cooler to begin with. You really want to try to slow your swing speed down a little bit more. Those fish aren't going to be as active unless we find, some fresh fish that came in on the high water. But for the most part, a lot of it's, older fish.
Oh!
It felt like a coho.
Did it? I saw that,
It didn't really pull hard.
Huh.
Well, it could have been a steel. I mean, it was heavy.
Yeah.
Little did I know, after Jeff lost this fish, I'd soon discovered that a mouse had chewed a hole in the side of my waders since the last time I used them. That made wading in water anything more than 2 feet tough to fish in without getting soaked. So I spent more time chasing the scenery with the camera instead of chasing steelhead. Either way, it worked out just fine.
The weight out. This was perfect speed.
We experienced 3 seasons in one day, with fast, high dirty water, spring rains, winter snow and sleet, and some intermittent sun to spice up the day. All in all, despite the challenges of the day, it was spent reminiscing, telling jokes, telling exaggerated stories, and making great memories. This was the goal all along, and although catching a steelhead was the hope, it was merely a bonus if we did. The time was well spent swinging flies with a good friend in a fantastic venue in West Michigan. Do you agree that catching fish is a bonus? Or does landing fish mark the success of the day? Leave a comment on your thoughts below. I hope you enjoyed this episode and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Good luck fishing.